In your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, then select Add New. Search for ProveSource. Install and activate the plugin that enables your WooCommerce site to communicate with ProveSource. Next, link your account. Open ProveSource in your browser and log in. Locate your API key, which should be under Account Settings. Return to WordPress, access the ProveSource plugin settings page, and paste your API key. Click Save. If everything is correct, your site is now connected to ProveSource. Now let's create a notification stream that displays recent purchases in your ProveSource dashboard. Create a new stream and choose WooCommerce Events as the event source. You can pull in dynamic data such as customer name, product name, location, etc. Use variables in your message template like name, product link, location, country, city, etc. For instance, your notification message might read name from location, city, just bought product name, or any wording that fits your brand voice. Once the stream is set up, proceed through the rest of the wizard to design your notifications. Choose their position on the screen, color, font, timing, and duration of visibility. Optionally set rules, so notifications only show on certain pages or under specific conditions, such as not showing to returning visitors. This customization ensures your notifications align with your site style. And that's it. You're now displaying recent purchase notifications on your WooCommerce store via ProveSource. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit like and subscribe for more e-commerce and conversion tips. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, leave a comment below. We'll help you out. Thanks for watching.